Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on the smartband. First, we need to wake up the screen on our band, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. After you open the menu, you can scroll through it by swiping on the screen up and down. Now find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the vibration option, and once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here we can select between strong, soft and off. Select the one you like, and once you select it, tap on OK to confirm. And then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on the smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.